Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Planner for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 15, add notes to a task. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school or business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on applications, go to all applications, scroll to explore all the applications. Now let's go to Planner, click on Computer Science Videos. Let's go within the to-do bucket and click on Video 2. And now what we can do is go to Notes and then type a description or add notes here. Let's just say videos for CSV. Those are the notes. Let's click on X. Let's go back in, and there we have the notes are available. Click on show on card, and the notes should be available. Do not show on card. Go back to showing the attachment. We can only show one thing on the card at a time. So let's revert it back to show the attachment on the card within the task inside the bucket for Computer Science Videos. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.